Hello, this is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the video. Or welcome back to the channel, should I say. This is another catch-up video. Over Christmas of 2023 I had a bit of a sort out and I saw there was an awful lot of stuff that I hadn't covered in videos and reviews. This is another one of those. This is a Peter Pan set from the Isle of Man. They have the Queen on the year and it's from the year 2020. Now there were two Peter Pan sets bought out around about the same time, so I'm not sure which set this is. I've got a feeling it may be the second one. So if we turn this over, on this one you have Peter and Tinker. Having a small discussion. The next one, I'm only going to show you the reverses. The obverses stay the same as they were first coined. It shows Tinker at the window. I forgot to say there are six coins in this set. Unfortunately, there were no vintage figures available when I did the research over Christmas. So, there you go. The third one is Captain Hook's sidekick, or one of them, and that's me. I think there is actually repairing a sail. The fourth coin shows the Jolly Roger. None of these coins, as I said, have a vintage figure that I could find, which doesn't help. This particular coin is the mermaid. It shows the mermaid. As I say, I think this is the second set of the two that were released. And the final one in this set, or in this lot that I've got, is Tinkerbell. I think she's in a bit of a huff there because she's kicking a can or something, or if I remember rightly it was a can or something similar to that. Now, this is 6 coins. The worst, as I said, there was another 6, and if I remember on that one they had Captain Hook, they had Pan, they had the crocodile, TikTok. That was the name of the crocodile, wasn't it? TikTok. It swallowed a alarm clock or something silly like that. So this, I believe, was the second set. I hope you liked it. I hope you like being reminded of it. It was a set that was released 4 years ago. And why I hadn't done a review of it before now, I don't know. However, that has now been rectified. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? Also, if you've not yet done so and you are able to, could you please also think about subscribing to the channel? The reason for that is that I'm trying to increase my number again this year. I haven't yet set the target, and I'll be doing that in the next few days after I've had a think. And if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you get the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And thank you for staying to the end of the video, and from me, I hope we'll meet up again very, very shortly. And in the meantime, for me, bye bye. Ta-da now.